Deployment and scaling. How to use AI agents and custom GPTs in real business. Building an AI agent or custom GPT is only the first step. The real value comes when you share it with your team, improve it over time, use it safely at scale. This is called deployment and scaling. If you are a business professional, especially a non-native English speaker, think of this simply. How do I make this AI system useful for my whole company, not just me? Let's break this down in clear, practical steps. 1. Sharing GPTs with teams. A custom GPT is most powerful when your team uses it every day. The problem without sharing: only one person benefits. Knowledge stays limited. Work is not consistent. The solution: using tools like ChatGPT. You can share a custom GPT with your team, let multiple users access the same system, standardize communication and workflows. Example: you create a customer support GPT. Your team can use it to write emails in clear English, follow the same tone and style, give consistent answers. Business benefit: consistent communication, better English across the team, faster training for new employees. Simple tip: give your GPT a clear purpose. Email assistant for sales team, customer support helper. This avoids confusion and improves usage. 2. Version control. Improving your AI over time. Your AI system is not finished after you build it. It should improve, just like your business. The problem without version control: changes are not tracked. Quality becomes inconsistent. Mistakes are hard to fix. What is version control? Simple meaning: keeping track of changes and improvements to your AI system. Example: version 1, basic email replies. Version 2, better tone, more polite language. Version 3 includes company policies, handles complaints better. Best practice: save different versions of your prompts. Test changes before sharing with your team. Keep a working version and a test version. Business benefit: continuous improvement, more reliable results, less risk of errors. 3. Updating knowledge bases. Your AI is only as good as the information you give it. The problem: if your information is old, incomplete, incorrect, then your AI will give wrong answers, confusing responses. What is a knowledge base? A collection of documents, FAQs, policies, product information. Example: for a business, this might include pricing information, customer support guidelines, internal procedures. The solution: regularly update your knowledge base in ChatGPT or your AI system. Example: workflow: update company policy, upload new document, adjust AI instructions, test responses. Simple rule: new information in your business? Update your AI. Business benefit: accurate answers, better customer experience, less confusion for staff. 4. Security considerations. Data privacy. This is one of the most important topics. The risk AI systems often handle: customer data, emails, internal business information. If not managed properly, data can be exposed, privacy can be violated, trust can be lost. Key principle: only give AI the data it truly needs. What you should not share: avoid putting personal customer data unless necessary, passwords, financial details, confidential contracts. Safe practices: 1. Limit access. Only allow team members who need the AI. Use permissions and access control. 2. Use clean data. Remove sensitive information when possible. Use examples instead of real data. 3. Review outputs. Check AI responses regularly. Make sure no private data is included. 4. Choose trusted tools. Use reliable platforms like ChatGPT, Zapier. Make these tools provide structured environments for business use. Business benefit: protect customer trust. Avoid legal problems. Use AI safely and confidently. 5. Scaling your AI system. Once your AI works well, the next step is scaling. What does scaling mean? Using your AI system across more people, tasks, and departments. Example: start 1 GPT for email writing, scale, add sales GPT, marketing GPT, HR GPT, advanced scaling. Connect your GPTs with automation tools like Zapier, Make, now your AI can send emails automatically, update systems, trigger workflows, business impact, more efficiency, less manual work, consistent processes across the company. Final takeaway: building AI agents and custom GPTs is just the beginning. To create real business value, you must share them with your team, improve them over time, keep information updated, protect your data scale across your business. Simple summary: build, share, improve, protect, scale. If you follow this process, your AI systems will not just be tools. They will become a core part of your business operations, helping you save time, communicate clearly, and grow with confidence.